Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Picsart and importing the photo you want to invert. You should already be signed in and have the image selected. Tap Edit to enter the editor and make sure the base image layer is active. If the image is extremely dark or blown out, adjust brightness/contrast slightly so the invert step behaves predictably. Once done, confirm the basic corrections. They make the inverted result clearer and prevent loss of detail when colors flip. Now locate the invert or negative effect in Side Effects or the Adjust menu. Apply it to the active layer. You can fine-tune by lowering the effect opacity or changing the layer blend mode to Overlay, Soft Light, or Normal to control strength. Once applied, use the Eraser or Add Mask tool to remove inversion from faces or key highlights. Paint with black to hide, white to reveal. This selective approach preserves natural skin tone. Finish by tapping Apply and then save or export the image at your chosen quality. Choose PNG for lossless color. If the inverted result looks too extreme or posterized, revert one step and adjust brightness, contrast, or saturation before reapplying the invert. If the effect doesn't render or the app glitches, restart Picsart and re-import the original. Make sure app is updated. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall if multiple edits fail to save. This often resolves persistent rendering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.